so I guess we don't do an intro because it was chilly out. But we're in Banff at the Banff Hotsprings today, and it's a brisk, what, -2?
Pretty nice for January.
Well, it's still a brisk -2, and we hiked up here at 10 in the morning to beat the rush. So it's just us. Well, and that guy and those two dudes there and that family, but that's pretty much all of us. And why are we doing B-roll now?
Because it's sunny out.
Because it was windy and chilly when we got here, and then the doors opened almost immediately. So Banff Hot Springs, it was a lot of fun.
10 out of 10.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, apparently it's 10 out of 10. Sulfur Mountain, we're climbing it, and somehow in the confines of my car I managed to lose the little screwy thing for the stick. So all of the footage is going to look like this. And the noise you can hear in the background is the gondola station. So we have finally just about made it to the summit of Sulfur Mountain. I remember being in that gondola and thinking, wow, people actually climb this mountain. Who would hike to the top of Sulfur Mountain? What sort of person's capable of this? Me. I would hike to the top of Sulfur Mountain. And I'm capable of it, except I needed to be turning 46 and not 28 and lazy. So it's been about 12 months since I had shoulder surgery. So that was a real slog getting up the mountain. And regardless of the TripAdvisor saying, hey, it's only a 5K, that was closer to 7. But we did do it in 1 hour and 50 minutes. So at least our pace is still really good, but our fitness needs some work. And Jenny thought she was gonna puke.
Yeah.
But hey, that's why we're in the gondola. Gondola! You know why it's called a gondola? Because look at that view! It's just a bunch of nature. Wow! Oh, look at all the congestion downtown. I can't wait to be in that.